Hello students, today we are seeing different parts of flower and we are taking tears of the ovary. So this is the hibiscus flower. So let's see different parts of this flower. So we can see here the green color calyx and the members of calyx are called sepals. So let me take it out. With the help of needle, make an incision on that and you can easily remove that calyx like this. It is green in color and provide protection to the flower during bud stage. So this is calyx. Next, these colored parts are called corolla. The members of corolla are called petals. They are colorful to attract the insect for pollination. So these are the petals. So remove them like this. Okay. So these are the corolla or petals. Let's take the androecium now. So you can see the pollen grains here attached to the blotting paper. So these are the small yellow color pollen grains. So let's remove these androecium. Insert a needle and drag it slowly like this and cut this androecium with the help of scissor. Cut it out like this. So these are the our androecium. Okay, I will keep this on that paper. So these are the androecium. So next one is gynoecium. So here it is gynoecium. We can see the stigma, red color stigma over there. So let me show you the ovary. So remove the upper layer of that ovary like this. So this is the ovary. So we can see three different parts of the gynoecium here. So let me keep it there first. These are four whorls or parts of the flower. First one is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Now let's take the tiers of ovary to see the ovules and locules inside the ovary. With the help of sharp blade, take sections of ovary like this. So you need a sharp blade for good section. Okay. So you can see the locules easily here. So transfer these sections over a slide and observe it under a simple microscope. Here you can see the locules and ovules inside the ovary.